Hello viewers, we are asked to solve for x if the square root of 6 raised to power x is the same as the product of 243 and the square root of 2 raised to power x. My first step here would be to shift this to the left hand side. I will shift that to the left hand side by dividing both sides by the square root of 2 raised to power x. So dividing both sides by the square root of 2 raised to power x will give square root of 6 raised to power x here over square root of 2 raised to power x equal to 243. So this has helped to shift this to the left hand side. My next step here would be to obey this rule of third, where we have root a over root b equal to square root of a over b. So applying that to this, that will give square root of 6 raised to power x divided by 2 raised to power x. This equals the 243. My next step here again is to apply this rule of indices, where we have a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m. The powers are the same. This will be equal to a over b all raised to power m. So the power m can be factorized out according to that rule. So applying that to the question, we are going to have 6 over 2 all raised to power x, and the square root is still there. This equals 243. Dividing 6 by 2 will give 3. So square root of 3 raised to power x is now equal to 243. Let's express this 243 in index form, where the base is 3. 243 is the same thing as what? 3 raised to power 5. 3 multiplied by itself in 5 different places is equal to 243. So square root of 3 raised to power x is equal to 3 raised to power 5. The next thing I shall do here is to deal with that square root. The next thing I shall do is to deal with the square root. How do we get rid of this square root? To get rid of the square root, I am going to square both sides. I square this side, I would also square this side. Squaring this side cancels the square root. The square cancels the square root. So I have 3 raised to power x left by the left hand side. On the right hand side, I'm going to have 3 raised to power 10, because this power multiplies that power. 5 times 2 there is equal to 10. And the value for x is equal to what? 10. The solution to this question is x equals 10. We can go on to verify to check if that answer is a true solution to the question. If we decide to plug in x as 10 here, let's plug in x as 10 there. So we'll have square root of 6 raised to power 10. If we find the square root of this, it will give 6 raised to power 5. 6 raised to power 5 times 6 raised to power 5 is 6 raised to power 10 by this other side. Now by the right hand side, 243 in index form is 3 raised to power 5. And then here we have square root of 2 raised to power x. Square root of 2 raised to power x, that is square root of 2 raised to power 10. That will give 2 raised to power 5. The square root of 2 raised to power 10 is 2 raised to power 5. Now when you multiply this by this, the 3 multiplied the 2 gives the 6. You know, this 5 can also be factorized out, that power. So we'll have 6 raised to power 5. So the 6 raised to power 5 on the left hand side balances the 6 raised to power 5 on the right hand side. So the solution to this question is x equals 10. Thank you for viewing. For more exciting videos like this, kindly subscribe to my channel.